Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can make powdered sugar from granulated sugar by simply blending 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon cornstarch until a fine powder. 1 3/4 cup powdered sugar can be substituted for 1 cup granulated sugar, but the success of the recipe really depends on how you are using the sugar. 12 June 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can use either granulated or caster sugar. The coarser the sugar you use, the more evenly your icing sugar will blend. It makes sense, then, to use granulated if you have it, but caster also does a pretty good job. 26 March 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To make icing without icing sugar, start by grinding granulated white sugar in a blender for 5 minutes or until it feels fine and powdery. Then, pour the sugar into a bowl and whisk it to make it fluffier and clump-free. Once you've whisked the sugar, just use it as a substitute for icing sugar in your recipe.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to make powdered sugar without a blender. If you don't have a blender, a food processor will work too. Depending on the capacity of your machine, you might have to make a bigger batch at one time. Another option is a coffee grinder. The 6th of March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.